G'day guys and welcome to the channel. So here we are. We'll start pulling this thing apart. It's a bit of a mess. It still has the original compliance plate, which is good. We have ignition switch, exhaust. I don't know how it's going to come up. It's not rusted through, but it's certainly not in good condition. Yeah, so anyway, I'm going to just start pulling it apart and see how we go. The front suspension is totally seized. Yeah, it's just a bit of a mess. Front brakes are seized. Wheels, don't know, wheels are buckled. But yeah, we'll give it a go, see how it looks. It's going to be a bit of a mission, this thing, but we will get there. Okay, so we got it apart, almost apart. It's pretty rusty. Something I found here. There's a great big hole in under there, which isn't good. So I might be up for a new cylinder head. Speedo drive, all that sort of stuff is replaceable. Wiring loom doesn't look too bad, but there's something's been cut off here. I don't know what. Front forks are shagged. It's totally seized. Anyway, we will press on. Okay, so we've got it basically pulled apart into its basic components. Seat base I'm going to keep. Fuel tank, even though it's bent, it's still a good fuel tank, so I'm going to try and get that repaired. I think it can be repaired. Front forks are shagged. Frame, that's got the chassis number and it was registered in Australia, so we're going to try and save that. Exhaust, if I can get a new exhaust, I'll get a new exhaust, as I will with the rear swing arm. Engine I need to save, but I think the cylinder head and bore are going to be replaced, and piston, cylinder head and barrel. Wheels are buckled and really not in good condition. Handlebars, again, not in good condition. Rear wheel, not in good condition. Now, headlights. The headlight, if I can get someone to repair it, which shouldn't be too difficult, panel beater, I guess, I think I can save it, because these are so expensive. Same as the Speedo. The Speedo is wrecked, but I think I can get a Speedo from Japan and an air cleaner. This, if you know anything about these are bloody impossible to find genuine. Reproduction ones don't have the lip or the little curve, but this is in good condition, so I'm going to get it re-chromed. We have the original number plate. This heat shield probably survive unless I can get another one, but I might just get that powder coated. Got the little carburetor. I have the whole carburetor. So what I'm thinking of doing is pull it apart and get it water vapor blast. That should bring it up. That's got nothing to do with the bike. Anyway, so that's it. So now we start doing a shopping list. Okay, so yeah, we're going to do a shopping list. Try not to fall over. Yeah, so we'll start doing the build. I've ordered some parts. I've ordered a new seat cover. I've ordered a engine cover. at a discount, genuine Honda, and the rest now we just start hunting around and getting it, see how we go. The next thing will be the tune by Loy, and I also have a genuine O2 sensor for the right hand pre-cat. That seems to be a problem. So I got a genuine one from the UAE, I think it's coming from. $230 Australian landed. Try finding one of those, that price at a Lexus dealer. But it's a genuine Toyota part, so you've got to hunt around for these things to save money. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we will catch you up soon.